Namaste sir, my name is Mokshita. I am studying UKG. Today telling about farmers are very important to our country. They grow crops for us. Doctor treat sick people, save our life. Teacher motivate and encourage students to learn new things. Police, his duty is catch thieves and bad people. We learn respected our community help us. Thank you. Namaskaram sir. My name is Sarus. I am studying UKG. Police station. I am a policeman. I am protect the people. I am catch thief and punish bad people. Thank you. My name is Dixit. I am studying UKG. I am a chef. Chef is a professional cook. I will make you an delicious recipes. Morning, sir. My name is Pawan. I am studying UKG. I am a doctor. He saved life. Thank you, sir. Manalka. I am studying UKG. I am a nurse. I am working hospital. Thank you, sir. My name is Ivan. I am studying UKG. Healthy food, milk, egg, nuts, chapati, rice, bread. Unhealthy food, burger, sweets, fries, cookies, candies, cake, bingos, biscuit. Thank you. Saturday, I am studying UKG. This is fire station where firefighters were here. They put out fire and save lives. Fire engines carry water and ladders. We can call 101 or 102 in an emergency. Thank you. My name is Shishika. This is fire station. My name is Vadevi. My name is Harika. This is fire station. My name is Susmiti. Susmita. I am studying UKG. Safe. My name is Susmita. I am studying UKG. Shape, triangle, square, semicircle, oval, circle, rectangle, diamond, heart. Subject plant, flower, branches, root, leaf, fruit, stem. My name is Tanis. I am studying UKG. JET jet, MET meat, PET pet, NET net, WET one. Okay, thank you.